All right, that's okay. Let's just work on this. But I just wanted to see, like, try it out, see how it worked out. Okay. We'll see later.
Well, it
Okay.
sucked.
All right, but can you guys see that?
Yeah.
Yes, now I can
Okay.
see it.
Remember, we have to multiply the 3 and the 3. That's 9.
It's 9.
That's 9.
Add it to the top, right?
10.
So
And
that should be 10 over 3
oh,
10.
and 5 over 8. Right?
I'm gonna screenshot
Yeah.
that.
I am too, actually.
I'm recording this. I'm recording this as well, so
Oh, okay.
you guys know. Okay, so that should be 10 times 5 is 50, and then 3 times 8 is
it's 24.
right. So 50
Gotcha.
divided by 24. That actually simplifies to 25 over 12. That's about as far as we can go, because their common factor is 2. So we divide both of these by 2. 25 over 12.
Just realized I was muted. I was trying to talk to y'all.
Okay, so that's the first one.
I was like, why are you listening?
Okay, the second one, if you see, like, this is where the button is to go to the other problems.
Yeah, I didn't have that.
All
I
right,
didn't have any of that.
all right, that's okay. But anyways, let's go to this one. So,
Let me write that down real quick.
and it's 2 and 13 over 15 times 5 over 86.
213 over 15 times 5. Hold on. Getting a paper.
So again, make sure to turn that into an improper fraction. So we multiply,
86? Holy cow.
and then we add it to the top.
And then add, yeah.
So 15 times 2, which is 30, and then we add it to 13.
43.
43.
43.
So 43 over 15 times 5 over 86, right? And you know, you guys can use a calculator. You know, there's no problem with that.
No Tango.
Not even on your computer or on your phone.
Well, on my phone, but then I would be leaving the thing.
They're supposed to, like, the new iOS should allow you to keep videos on while you're surfing the other.
That's a big number.
I got it.
215.
Yeah, 215 over 840,
I see 1290.
right? 1290, what the hell?
15 times 86
80.
is 1290.
15 times 86 is 1290.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
You guys are on
What are you trying to do here?
And actually, this actually simplifies to 1 over 6. It's kind of crazy, right?
Hold on.
such a high number, yet such a low
Such a low outcome.
outcome.
Right. And again, like, I know that when it gets with bigger numbers, it gets kind of crazy to, like, simplify them. So that's why the calculators at school help us with that. And that's a really useful tool when we're using those calculators. So that's why I'm not having you guys simplify the homework problems. Which, by the way, for those of you that have tried them, how has it gone?
Oh,
I finished,
Yeah.
I didn't. I only had a few.
but I haven't uploaded it.
Were you able to upload the pictures, or did you guys have problems with that?
I did one of the pictures.
I
so
have
far.
problems with the uploading
I
the
just
pictures.
didn't know how to do it with my phone. I forgot how to do it with my phone.
Did you see that there's a video posted? I did a screen record on how to upload the pictures from your phone. Okay.
No, I didn't see.
Yeah, it's on Google Classroom. So if you want to go ahead and look at that video, see how how to do it. If not, let me know and I'll help you out. Okay.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Hey,
for
sir.
today- yeah.
Oh, never mind. I found it.
All right. For today, yesterday we did multiplying fractions. Today we're going to do dividing fractions. Okay. So we're just going to do a couple problems on those, and then we'll be done for today. All right.
Yes.
So make sure you have something to write with, something to write on.
Hold on. Let me get another paper.
One step ahead of you, buckaroo.
Buckaroo.
Well, first thing, well, truly the only keyword that I have for this section is reciprocal.
Knowledge. Oh.
Reciprocal. Right? And you know, you guys have heard me say that word before, right? Reciprocal. What does that mean?
Reciprocal.
What does it mean?
Is that an R?
Yeah, that should be
Oh,
an R, and this is a C.
okay,
Reciprocal.
just making sure.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
I don't appreciate this making you guys making fun of my writing.
I didn't
I
make
didn't
fun
say
of you.
anything.
I just asked.
I didn't
I didn't
say
make fun
anything.
of you. I just
Stop
asked.
writing shaming him. That's racist.
All right. Well, let's just
That's all I did.
let's just look at the first example, right? Let's say we have 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 11, right? Remember that to solve this, we have to turn it into a multiplication problem, right? And the way we do
This is
that,
dividing?
yes, this is dividing. So it's 2 over 3 divided by
Jeez.
4 over 11. So we have to turn this into a multiplication problem. And we do this by finding the reciprocal of 4 over 11. So when I say that, what does that mean when I'm trying to find the reciprocal?
You have to flip it.
Exactly. That's literally all it is, right? The reciprocal of a number is by flipping it. Okay. So 2 over 3, and then it changes into a multiplication problem, 11 over 4. Okay. So now that we have our multiplication, we can just do straight across. 2 times 11,
22.
22, and then 3 over 4, which is
12.
12. And this can actually simplify to 11 over 6.
Mhm.
Okay.
Right? Pretty simple.
Nike check. Hey, so this is a total different question, but I lost mine yesterday, and yeah, where are the numbers? Do we make up our own fractions to multiply? Or
Wait, you lost your what?
numbers?
What numbers?
I saw numbers on here yesterday, but I forgot them.
Oh, well, no, I mean, I put up the
That's
video
it.
from yesterday, so in case you missed it, like, there's
I'm
all the
dumb.
stuff, there's all the notes, okay? But
Oh,
if,
okay, I got it.
but for the homework problems, all that stuff is, it's all together, so there's separate documents, okay?
Okay. I got you, sir. Thank you.
So we got this first
It's
part?
due Friday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's all due Friday,
No.
okay?
Okay.
Today
thank
is
God.
Wednesday.
It's due Sunday.
Oh.
No, Roman, don't be
Okay,
spreading
works for me.
don't be spreading misinformation. It's due on Friday.
Thanks, Roman. I'm just kidding.
All right. Anyways. Okay, so. Okay. Let's do 5 over 9.
Shit.
And let's just write it like this, right? Let's say we're going to divide that
I can't
by.
see anything. Oh.
Stupid.
Well, that looks
Also,
confusing,
that was
right?
actually pretty good.
Oh,
Handwriting.
thank you. Thank you. I appreciate
Yes.
that.
You stop
Thanks,
lying to him.
sir.
I'm just kidding.
But anyways.
There,
Just kidding.
there's a reason he got Teacher of the Year, guys. Come on.
I saw that.
His handwriting is
Congratulations, sir.
It's
God.
okay. I lost the big competition, so.
Roman, who wrote on there?
I lost the big competition, so I'm
What
just
was
How do
that?
you
I am no
write
teacher of the year.
You are the Teacher of the Year in my book, sir. You're the Teacher of the Decade.
Thank you. That means a lot. But
He's,
anyways,
How are
So
y'all
cool
writing
that you
on
can
there?
write. That is so cool.
y'all can't write on here? Yes, like iPhone's wrong.
How? How do you write? Oh,
So They're probably hating
Okay,
me.
can we
Oh.
not?
How do you erase it?
Mr. Rodriguez is trying to teach.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, sir. We're all fascinated that we can write on the board too.
No, yeah. So
That's
So
crazy.
maybe I should just. It's because I would use this. It's just that it doesn't seem like it's enough space. So that's the only problem with this. But let's see. I'll try to give it a shot. Anyways,
He took up our editing in high
Looks
school.
bad.
so let's do 5. So the problem is 5/9, and then I put divided by 20/27, right? So obviously this looks really, really crazy, right? But if we rewrite it, it's just saying 5/9 divided by 20/27, right?
I have a quick question.
What's up?
We don't test in this, right?
No, we don't.
No.
Thank God. Okay.
Thank God.
I mean, I think they do make a STAR test for this one, but I think it's optional for districts. I don't know.
Oh, thank God.
I've never really gotten a clear answer on that. But
No,
no,
we
I
don't-
mean,
we don't.
you guys don't test on this. And the only thing is, though, like a lot of this stuff does come out on the TSI. So for you guys going to college, you know, that's
No.
this stuff
You
is
mean
gonna come
college?
up. All right. Anyways, so again, we're gonna change it to the reciprocal. We're gonna to multiply. So 5/9, and it's gonna be multiplied by what?
by 27/20.
20.
27/20, right? And now we just multiply straight across. So 27/20. Okay.
130.
27 times 5 is 135. And then 9 times 20 is 180. All of this actually simplifies to 3/4.
That's crazy, Holmes.
And again, the calculator at school is like the best thing for this. So,
Thank God. We got those.
all right.
Ouch.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we change this to a multiplication problem,
Cool.
what do you notice about this?
So the answer would just be
It's the
one
same.
because they're the same.
It'd be
Right,
one.
because both of these are actually reciprocals of each other, right?
Yeah.
So 3/7 is reciprocal of 7/3, right? So
Yes.
since they're both reciprocals of each other, it's just going to be a 1. Because, I mean, if we do it, let's just say 7 times 3, 7 times 3, that's 21/21, which is equal to 1.
31?
No.
Or, I mean, obviously, you could skip that step and say, okay, look, we have a 7 right here, and we have a 3 on the numerator and the denominator. So that in total just comes out to 1. Okay?
Yep.
All right, let's see. I think we're almost done. Got a couple more examples. Okay. Now let's say we have 6 divided by 4/9. Right?
6 divided by 4/9.
So if we turn this into a multiplication problem, it should be 6 times what?
9/4.
9/4. And remember, we said yesterday, it's part of our invisible math. What do we assume is in the bottom of every?
There's a 1.
Right. So 6 times 1. I mean, 6 times 9, 4
I was
times
about
1.
to say.
That should be 54/4. And what can we simplify this to?
Global warming. 54 can simplify.
So we can, can we divide both of them by 2?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, right? They're both even, so we can divide them by 2. So that's 27/2.
27, there you go. 'Cause 7, okay, I got it.
So that would actually be, because 27 is a prime number, so that would be it. That's as far as we can go. 27/7. Now let's
You just
look
do
at
the
it.
answer. Cutting it in half.
Okay, so now let's look at it the other way. 12 over 7 divided by 8.
12 over
This is another
7.
problem?
Yes. The last example, I think, actually.
Ooh,
So,
I know. I'm just kidding.
so
What?
see.
What do you want?
Oh, sorry, asshole.
Okay,
Shut up. Make it
Watch
So-
your mouth.
we have to find the reciprocal. That would be 12 over 7 multiplied. What would be the reciprocal of 8?
1 over 8.
1 over
1 over 8,
Over
because
eight.
we assume that there's a 1 on the bottom, so 1 over 8.
12 over 7.
Now we're going to multiply both of those across. Okay. So 12 times 1, that should give us...
My phone is acting
Wow.
stupid.
That should give us 12.
I'm at school.
And 7 times 8?
56.
56.
56. And let's see, we can actually...
Can we
So-
simplify it?
We can. And this is how we try to do it, right? So let's just find...
Oh, shit.
It's find
Sorry.
what the greatest common factor is, right? So let's just say this can be 3 and 4, or actually 2 and 6, 2 and 3, right? Okay, so yeah, this could be split into 2 times 6, and then 6 can be split into 2 times 3, right?
Yes.
Same thing over here. We can
Wait, I dropped my pen.
2
What the heck?
or 56 divided by 2, which is 28.
It'd
Let
be
me
2 and 28.
let me erase this other stuff.
Yeah, because I don't understand. So much pit stuff on here.
Well, we'll talk a little bit more about this later, but okay, what we're trying to do is find the greatest common factor, right? So 56, we can divide it by 2, that's 28. We can divide 28 again by 2, that's 14. Then we can divide 14 by 2, that's 7. And that's about it, right? So what we do is we want to circle, let me do it in a different color. Let's circle the factors they have in common, right? Which are 2 and 2. So what would the greatest common factor be?
2.
Actually, we have two
No?
2's. So we multiply those together,
That's 4.
4. So that means that
Oh, shit.
we can actually simplify it by 4.
That's all I hear from Max.
3
4.
and
3 and
50, and 56 divided by 4. Oops.
3 over
What?
14.
14.
It'd be 3 over 14, sir.
Exactly.
It?
And if you guys notice, let me do it in a different color. What's left over after we circle, the 2 greatest common factors?
2 and
That's
7.
3.
3.
Oh,
14.
14.
Oh, 300 IQ.
Does that always happen, or was that just coincidence?
Yeah, usually. Let's see. Let's try another one. Let's try another one where we can simplify.
You guys want a bite?
Please?
Yeah.
I'm
What is
hungry.
Okay, let's try this one. Let's try.
We're doing one more, sir?
Yeah, just to show you guys a little bit about simplifying. So let's say
Hey, Dad.
39
Uh,
over 2.
Right.
And we multiply that by 1/3. Actually, I don't think that's a good example. Never mind.
bro, Max.
What's up?
Bro, are you gonna come? I'm legit just chilling, bro.
Maybe in a bit.
Cause I'm legit just chilling. I'm over here in the cafeteria doing nothing.
I'm finna eat, fool. I'm hungry.
Why are you at the cafeteria?
Because I'm supposed to be helping Ella. But
But
Ella said,
are
And
you?
guys,
but Ella,
Miss Liz said that there is no class for her. You just do your Rosetta.
bruh.
I got on her Google Classroom and the Remind. Y'all want me to send you the codes?
Yes, please.
Okay. She doesn't ever say anything, but
Okay.
I'll still send it to y'all in the
Okay.
group chat.
I think this is
Okay.
from yesterday, but just so I can show you guys like that way to like factor down, right? So 11 times 10, that would give us 110, and then 4 times 33, which is 132. Okay.
One
My phone's out.
132.
All right. So what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
So 110 and 32, right? 132, right?
Yeah.
So let's try to simplify that. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
What's going on?
Sir, I think you took out the whole population of numeros.
All right. So we had 110 and 132, right? So I always go by twos. So we can divide 110 by 2. That would be, I believe, 55, right?
75.
55. Okay.
70. Okay.
And I can't do by 2, but I can divide that by what?
Then
And actually divide
11.
it by 5.
Oh.
Right? 5 and 11.
Yeah.
And that's it, because 2, 5, and 11, those are prime numbers. Okay? So then 132, we can divide that by 2. 132 divided by 2 is 66. 66, we can divide that by 2 again. That is
I'm morir mi teléfono.
33.
133.
Lo voy a cargar ahí en la...
And then what can we divide 33?
11 and
By
3.
11, right? So 3
3 and
and
11.
11. And that's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
So
senor.
what are the common factors there?
2.
2 and 11.
2 and 11.
2 and 11.
11. So
Yeah.
11.
What are you doing, Leslie?
I'm thinking.
Bro, my phone finna die. It's on 2.
If it dies.
Asia, wash my hair.
So 2 and 11, that means that we can divide both of them by
Oh, what the hell?
11. No, sorry, by 22.
Doody doos doos doos.
Shit.
So we can divide both of these by 22, and our simplified version is 5 over 6, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what do we have left over? We have a 5 on this side, and then 2 and a 3 on this side. So that's 5 over 6.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so that's one trick. I think we'll learn a little bit more about, finding greatest common factor and all that stuff later on. Okay. But let me see.
Hey, sir, you said that work is due Friday?
Yes, on Friday.
Do we have any more Zoom meetings today?
No.
No.
Okay.
Roger,
Yes.
Yes.
why is your class the only class that has Zoom meetings every single day?
Because
I like
care.
it.
Because
I like
care.
I love it.
I'm just kidding. No, I understand that. Like, I'm sure not everyone's doing the same thing as I am, but I just want to make sure, like,
Oh,
I just want to make sure you guys are getting some lessons in. Let's try to get into that rhythm again, so when we go back to school, it's not as bad. Like, I want you guys to make sure that you guys kind of get in that like schedule again, because once we get back to school, it's like we've been like 5 or 6 months away. It's going to be a huge adjustment again. So
My brain's going to be rusty.
exactly. So I just want to make sure that
My brain's
you guys-
rusty now.
you guys
so
are
my
kind of
phone's
getting
gonna
that.
die, and I'm sorry.
You guys are kind of getting that, okay? But yeah, I mean, like, I understand that it could be a lot, but I'm glad that you guys are joining me, and this is awesome. This is fun, I think.
You're awesome,
So
sir.
every day at 10.
except for Friday, right? So tomorrow will be the last day for the week.
Okay. Guys, if I don't make it to the Zoom
Yeah,
meeting,
'cause-
call me or something, because I might just, I'll
For
probably
real,
get in.
y'all should have did that to me with Reyes.
All right. But if there's no more
I didn't
questions,
do
guys,
Reyes'
then
Zoom meeting.
I think that's it for today. Your homework is going to be, I think it's 5 practice problems on dividing fractions, and that's going to be on delta math, okay?
So we just
Oh,
write it
but
down.
Delta.
Oh,
I
It's
hate
just on
Delta.
Yeah, it's just on delta math, okay? So you don't
Wait,
have to
sir.
send me any work or anything. All you have to do is just make sure you complete them, okay?
for the multiplying ones, we write it down and then take a picture
Aw.
and insert it in the thing.
Yeah, upload them into the
Okay.
Google Slides, okay? So there's a video of that on the Google Classroom. If you guys still have problems, let me know so I can work with you guys, okay?
Okay.
But other than that, that's pretty much it. You guys are already present for today, so today's work will be due on Friday, okay?
Okie-dokie.
Okay.
All right. So it's nice seeing you guys, and see you guys
This is-
tomorrow, same time, okay?
Okay, bye.
All right.
Mr. Rajale,
Yeah.
what is your gamer tag?